everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and in today's video, we will be touring house number 5. That's right, house number 5. So, before we get locked in, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also make sure to like this video. If you can, comment down below and let us know which is your favorite house. So far, I am liking house number 3 and this house, house number 5. So let's go ahead and continue on with this tour. As we first notice, when you first walk in, there is a mini living room and a dining room when you first walk in. Next is this beautiful kitchen. I really like this kitchen. It's small, but it's actually big enough for me and big enough for me to grow in, if that makes sense. I also like this pantry. The pantry is huge. It's really, really spacious. And fortunately, the refrigerator does come, but I would need to buy a stove and a microwave oven. I do like the island. I like how the stools can fit under the island. And I do like that there's room for a small table, but again, I really don't like the thought of having a dining room in the middle of my living room or family room and kitchen. I don't know. It just seems like it takes up space. So this is like a mini family room, which I like the family room. However, once we get up these steps, you'll see exactly why I like this this house. I'm sorry, this house. All right. When you first get up the stairs, you have this beautiful loft area, which is so spacious. Then you have your bed. I would say this is a guest room number 1. And in this guest room is fairly large, and you actually have a nice size closet. So this is guest bedroom number 1. I would say it's very spacious, definitely. All right, so let's go across the hall. And the model home has like a little arts and craft room. I was looking at this room and was like, maybe I can turn this into my large closet with a vanity. I really feel like this is like enough space for a large closet to make this into a large closet and vanity space. And yeah, this is just really, really nice and a big surprise. So I would say this is guest bedroom number 2, but also could be a large closet. Here is guest bedroom number 3. And I was surprised because this came with a full bathroom. I really, really like this room. The room is small. The room itself is fairly small. However, it is spacious enough to, put things in and people to still feel comfortable. It's really cute. Really quaint and cute. All right, let's head out of this room. I love the little ottoman. That was a really cute touch. And let's head to our left. You have your laundry room upstairs, which I love. The only thing I hate about laundry rooms upstairs is the noise, but a lot of them have sound isolation in the walls, so I'm not sure. Now to the master. I don't know who made this bed, but it was horrible, but I love this room. I love how it has the extra space to fit chairs and still fit the dresser. I really love the bathroom. I feel like some of the fixtures could have been a little bit more dated. I mean, not out of date, but new. It just seemed like they weren't as brand new, but I do like how large this shower is. The shower is very large. I love this closet. So I would definitely be sharing with my partner, but yeah, I really, really, really love that closet, but I still want to make a big room. Turn one room into a big closet. Yeah. So this is a huge room, really, really huge space. However, let's get to this little area over here. To our left is a full bathroom. So as you can see, there's 3 full bathrooms on this level. 3 full bathrooms on this level. Then you have a linen closet. I was gonna say pantry. And now let's head over to this loft area. This area is just wonderful. Like, this is an area where my family could come and sit. We can watch movies. I could put a desk over here. I can put a filming station. Like, the opportunities are endless. I'm upset I never went into that closet right there. I'm not sure what it was, but never even looked in there. Not sure why. Now we're back downstairs and we have the little small family room yet again. Small dining room. And let's go ahead and head outside. All right, so you have a covered patio. Somewhat like a little cement block, but it's not fully covered, but you know, you have shade. And I like how you do get, she said you do get majority of this whole entire backyard in space on the side of your house, which is awesome. So I do like that. And this was it. I want to say there was a half bathroom somewhere on this floor. Yeah, I want to say this is the half bathroom. Yeah, this is the half bath. So there's a half bath and 3 full baths. So 3 full baths, 1 half bath, and you have your storage closets, and that door where it was a little cracked would be where the garage would normally be, which is a 2-car garage. All right, so you reached the end of this tour. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you stay safe, sane, and sanitized. And as always, all of my videos are done with love. Key.